Everyone, blessed be. I'm going to show you how to make a relaxing and calming candle. So first of all, candle jar. So first of all, I'm taking some pink Himalayan salt for cleansing and self-love, and it's quite calming. It's also protective. And then what I'm going to add to that is some white sand. I use this a lot. Just because I've got a big bag of it, to be honest. But white sand is supposed to be cleansing, good for protection, quite a purifying colour, promotes emotional balance and stuff, so I added that as well. Then I added some more of the pink salt. This is pink Himalayan salt that I literally got from the supermarket. I'm just using the last of what's in the grinder. Then I put everything in that's left in the grinder. Then I'm going to put on some more sand. I do wish that the layers would have been a bit more visible, but because the sand is so fine, because this is normally you'd use it in pet enclosures, so it's really, really fine white sand. So as I put it in, it goes between the layers of salt. I'll probably see if I can figure out a way of making it so that the layers show a bit more. I might have to put something in between each layer maybe next time, but it doesn't matter. And then keep going until you reach the neck of the jar. Like so. And give it a little tap just to make sure everything's nice and level. You can see the Himalayan salt a little bit, but never mind. And then I've got this candle. This is a little tea light candle, and it's a bit big for my jar. But luckily, obviously, because in the UK the weather's quite warm at the minute, this candle was quite soft. So what you need to do is take your tea light candle out of the little metal dish it's in and trim it to size with a craft knife or a Stanley knife. Just literally just cut around the outside just to make it a bit smaller. Or if you've got a candle that'll fit, just use that. I like the tea light candles though, because I don't want it to be like a massive towering candle. And I've just pushed that into the top, and obviously this will burn away if you ever want to change the ingredients in the bottom of the jar. And obviously it's easy to replace. And this will just sit on my moon altar, and I'll just use it whenever I feel I need just a bit of calming. And then all you have to do is light the candle. Now obviously, as you're making it, think about the intention, what the purpose of the candle's for. You can hold the jar in your hand and think about its purpose and the intention and everything, and visualize that intention going into the sand and the salt. And then whenever you want a calm and relaxing moment, light your candle and just sit and look at it, and just don't have any distractions, like don't have your phone with you, don't have your iPad, don't have the telly on. Just literally sit quiet with the candle burning to calm down and relax. Hope you enjoyed the video. Blessed be. Bye for now.